This must be where he keeps his food.
Come on, open! Do you constantly have roommates trying to take your food? Well, introducing to you the Super Secret Lockbox. By inputting a simple code, you unlock the door and therefore the main compartment.
Looks like he does want me to have some snacks.
Inside this beautiful main compartment is where you would hide your snacks that you're okay if they might get stolen. Also inside this compartment is the first secret sensor that triggers your first compartment. Within this compartment is where you would hide your refreshments for your snacks, things like your Dr. Pepper and apple juice. In this compartment is another secret sensor that triggers based off the heat of your finger. For reference, this shows how secure our lockbox really is. After you have access to your second compartment, you use a magnet to trigger the secret third and final sensor to get access to your final drawer where you hide all of the best snacks. Your Twizzlers, your Reese cups, the things you really don't want your roommate getting a hold of.
I knew he was holding out on the snacks. I knew it.
And finally, to close it all down, there's a second secret button in the very back of the original main compartment, which will close all of your drawers.
This lockbox will only charge you $2,000 plus $500 shipping, no matter where you live. And once again, thank you for your interest.